आज आम एगेन आउ 5टी MCQ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करिवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन by selecting the correct option. Here there is 4 option, you have to choose the correct option. Question number 1, which one of the following sentence express a proposition? Option A, what is your name? Option B, the sky is blue. C, please close the door. D, may God bless you. We have read that only assertive sentence is a proposition. Here the sky is blue is a proposition because there is a subject and predicate and a copula. Question number 2, logic deals with argument, law, morality, explanation. Answer will be argument. Logic deals with arguments. Logic is the study of argument. Question number 3, which of the following is a conclusion indicator? Option A, for the reason that, which imply that, in view of the fact that, in as much as. The answer will be which implies that. Question number 4, which of the following is not a premise indicator? Option A, thus, B, since, C, because, D, as. The answer will be thus. Option A. Question number 5, which of the following is a premise indicator? Therefore, hence, because, so. Which of the following is the premise indicator? It is because. Thank you.